I'm Olga Harrington with CEO Positions, and I'm here with Roxanne Decyk, who's Corporate Affairs Director for Royal Dutch Shell. I'd like to ask you, you gave a very powerful presentation here at the symposium. Could you talk a little bit to us about the question about marketing and changing the marketing paradigm that you raised?
Certainly, although you might need some context in order to understand it. We were talking about a very provocative idea raised by Occam Steiner in his address, and that is that we have to redefine what success, happiness, and contentment is for people. It isn't necessarily using more of everything they can afford to buy, but perhaps using less or being more conscious of the impacts of their own behaviors on the planet. And one of the things that I feel pretty strongly about is that it will take many, many, many different parties contributing to change the definition of well-being and success and fulfillment in life. So it can't be regulated by governments, although government regulation can play a role. It won't happen just because NGOs exhort people to behave in more responsible ways, although they play a role. But perhaps by harnessing the power of marketing from the private sector to begin to introduce messages that suggest using less of something actually has a value to it, and demonstrating what that value might be, we can add to the many other voices that are trying to help redefine what is success for a growing middle class around the world, and therefore possibly limit the negative impact we're going to have on the environment and especially scarce resources. So understanding where marketing can make a difference, and understanding for private companies like mine how using that marketing sensibly can actually increase the likelihood that we are growing our company, seems to me to be the challenge ahead.
Okay. Thank you very much for that very provocative message.